Happy St. Patrick's Day to all you traders out there in Trader Land. My name's Des here at Grok. Trade Thursday, March 17th, 2011, and the markets do a big pop. We have Dow up 1.45%. Now, the markets aren't closed yet, so these numbers are going to change ever so slightly. Have another 5 minutes or so. S&P 1.4% to the upside. NASDAQ and Russell's didn't fare as well, so they actually lagged the broad markets as a whole. NASDAQ only up 0.85%, up 0.63% here on the Russells. We have the banks up 0.9%. So the banks were beating the NASDAQ and Russells, but not necessarily the Dow and the S&P. VIX down 10%. Down 10%, and the VIX still at 26.5. Gold up 0.5%. Matter of fact, gold is up for the last count here at $1,404. $1,404. And we had the US dollar down almost a full percent. And if you hadn't been noticing, the yen against the dollar is up at record levels. And we have the USO here, which is looking at the crude, and it's up 3%. Last look here, we have crude oil up over 100. We're at $101. All right. Yesterday I showed you the trend that was very, very high, 2 point a zillion, whatever, a very, very high number. Said there was a huge chance of a rally today, and here we get it. We're looking at the S&P 500 daily chart. We do find support at the 100-day simple moving average, and we have a lower high, higher low. Question of the day is, what type of reversal pattern do we have right here? This is a candlestick reversal pattern, and I'll just tell you, it's called a bearish harami. Bearish harami. Now, this is what I'm expecting. We had huge volume yesterday on the sell-off. Itsy bitsy little mini me nothing volume today on the up day. Friday, going into Friday, I'm expecting us to stay lower than 1277. I think we'll stay lower than 1277. Now, even though we have a reversal pattern, for us to confirm this, we need to get over 1280. So we need to go higher than that. If so, that would be a bullish move. I'd be optimistic going into next week. However, I think the odds are we will be lower than this. I think the odds are we will be higher than today's low. So I think we'll be higher than 1261, but we will be lower than 1277. So if we get this, and I think that we'll close out the day above 1267. Now that's just a guess, and my guess and opinion holds zero weight. That won't make you any money, I promise. But I'm just saying that I'm guessing that we'll have a stalemate tomorrow. If so, we will have built ourselves a down leg with lower highs, higher lows, and that would give us what's called a bearish pennant, which in fact would be more bearish than bullish on the daily time frame. We're below all major moving averages other than this 100-day moving average that's acting as some support, but we did crash below it yesterday. We do have a confirmed cross on the MACD, and this is a centered oscillator that we're using here at 5, 9, and 2 is the filter. We do have a crossover. You can see this on a positive histogram heading to the north. But as far as price action is concerned, gang, we need a higher high. And if we do, we need to increase volume. But as things look, we look very weak out here. Yeah, we're up 160 points on the Dow closing out the day. But gang, when you drop on huge volume and you go up on very little volume, price and volume, king and queen, volume confirms price action. So anyway, I'm rambling here, so I'm going to cut it off. Yes, in fact, there is a such thing, believe it or not, as free online trading courses. Take the 101s. Look at the next slide. Take care, safe trading. Catch up with you in the morning.